Hello guys, welcome into our channel. So in this video I will be explaining in detail about the secrets of supply and demand, because as someone who is interested in trading, you should know that trading is similar to our daily living lifestyle of the demand and supply. So here we are doing the economic analysis, but in this case we use the candlesticks, we use the chart patterns, we use also the levels, the zones. So as a beginner, you need to understand those secrets of supply and demand in the market. Stay tuned, listen to this video until the end so that you do not lag behind. Find that other information you didn't get the glimpse of what is it that you need to know, because when you trade and some of this information is not known to you, you do not own the market. When you know, you are owning something. So if you are new in this video, please feel free to like this video. Please consider subscribing into our channel, because as we are giving you more strategies, more information after our thorough research on how to trade accurately and make your profits gradually, you will be assisted. And when we are posting, you'll be the first one to know that today we'll be releasing a new video. So stay tuned. Yes. Okay. First of all, you should know that the market it goes three major ways. There is a time whereby the market will go up. That's when we say it's an uptrend. Then the market will go down. Okay. Then there is a time whereby the market will go sideways, like here. You see, it goes sideways. That's why we say the market is consolidating. So when the market goes like this, it goes into their road. The road of the market is the road that is at the bottom and the road that is at the top. Okay, so the road that is at the bottom, we call it a support. Okay, this is a support. The road that is at the top, it's called a resistance. Okay, resistance level. How do you identify a support and a resistance level? You see, when the market is going on its road, for now, as you can see now, here the market is bullish. Okay, when the market fails to go up further, okay, when the market fails to continue going up further, and then it then goes down, it fails. Let me show you clearly. The market is from this side, it's been going up, but eventually you find that it will fail and it will then go down. We say that the market is rejected by the bulls. So when the market fails to continue going up, it makes what we call a level after it has been rejected more than twice. Okay, as you can see here, there is this level. There are, like you can see, there are multiple candlesticks. They were trying to go up here multiple times, and there are candlesticks here. They were trying to go down multiple times at the bottom here, okay, and here at the top. So when the market fails, like if the market is going up and it fails to continue going up, that one we call it a resistance level. Okay, we call it a resistance level here. Then when it fails to go down further, we call it this one, it's a support. Those are the main basics. So when you are analyzing and trading, the first thing first, you need to understand that finding the road of the market is the key concept. Okay, now you can see where the current market price is. The market is has broken the structure here. I'll write 1 here. The market has broken the structure. Okay, the market has broken the structure. Let me change the color so that you can see what I'm talking about. Here I'll write 1. The market has broken the structure on top. Now this level has been broken, meaning that it was able to break the structure upwards. So a support is at the bottom, a resistance is at the top. Support can be horizontal, like this one. This one horizontal is a support, it's a resistance. Okay, and also it can go diagonal. This one can be a support, this one can be a resistance. Like I'm telling you, the market will always respect the road. So if you want to understand how the market moves, you should know how to identify its road. For instance, here the market has been moving, it's an uptrend, but in the road. So once you understand how to identify these levels, you are good to go, because here you can seek for an entry. Here you can seek for an entry. You can seek for an entry around here. You can enter here a buy, and then you can hold. Then market will move the impulse and the corrective, impulse and corrective, and you'll be making a lot of profits as long as you are able to identify the road of the market, which is the support and the resistance. So these two, they are very important. They go hand in hand with the supply and the demand. Remember, let's say we are farmers, we are selling maize in summer. The price of maize in summer, it is $1. I mean, in winter it's $1 because maize is scarce. But in summer, the price of the maize will have to decrease because many, they are selling maize. So the price is low. Okay, the price is low because there is too much supply. The price is low. It's because there is too much supply. That's why the market will come down here, because the price is low and there is too much supply. When there is too much supply, the price is low. But when the supply decreases, then the price will will rise. Okay, that's how the market goes. So at the support level, we say it's the supply zone. eh? At the resistance level, we say it's a demand zone. So a level is just a line. Do you understand me? It's just a line. Then a zone is not just a line, but it is something that is it's something that is beyond the line. It's like this. Let's say a zone, it's something like this. It's just it has a bigger picture on the market, not just a line. Okay, so let me show you a zone to pixel. Let's make it this color. This is a zone. Okay, so here we will say this is a supply zone, and this is a supply zone, and this is a demand zone on top. Let me highlight it for you. This one is a demand zone. Let me highlight it for you. Okay, you are able to identify these things because this is a supply zone and this is a demand zone. This is a demand zone, this is a supply zone. Now this is a supply zone because the resistance level has become a support level. Okay, so now we are expecting the market here. That's why the market is now, the price is continuing to go up because this is a support already. You see, it's the bottom part of the market, and we are expecting the price to go up further, or the price to go down after some time. But now the price is going up. So I hope you're understanding that what is a support and what is a resistance. The difference between the support level, it is one line, the resistance is one line. But when you say it's a zone, it's no longer one line, but it's just a combination of different lines. That's why we call it a zone. Thank you so much for watching. Can we meet in our next video where I will be explaining further what is a demand, what is a supply, and how are the big institutions placing their trades following the supply and demand, and you as a retailer, how to place your trades without being affected, since you have understood the supply and the demand zone. One last thing, which is a bonus, you must understand the price, because whenever you open the market has got 4 or 5 different time zones. It's the New NY session, the Asian session, the London session, the Sydney, and the Tokyo. You see, yes, the Sydney, 5 different sessions. So each and every day, the market will provide us with a highest market price, and also will provide us with a lowest market price. I used to tell my students that always when you go to, when you want to trade, when you go to trade, first thing, make sure that you are able to highlight the lowest market price first. The lowest market price first, then you go and highlight the highest market price when you start analyzing, so that you can see that the market is either will be forming new higher highs or will be forming new lower lows, so that you can be able to analyze. You see? Okay, so make sure that you follow us. Please like this video, follow us on our next video where we'll be unpacking how to identify these zones and form where you highlight and use the order blocks to have your sniper entries. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.